There we go.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. The other day I found a really good deal on a 68 Impala. It's going to be a parts car for the fastback. Unfortunately, this one is just too far gone, so we're just going to kind of see if we can get it going. It's got a 12 bolt 300 horse 327 and a turbo 400. So we're gonna mess with it. I started messing with it a little bit already. I couldn't video picking it up. The guy didn't want to be on video, so stick around and see if we can get her fired up. So this is the old car right here. It's got corners that I need, everything's intact. I already got the remote start hooked up, some battery jumper cables because my battery's a little low. The motor actually cranks over. I cleaned the points, sprayed a little brake clean in it, and it did pop, so we're gonna see if it'll fire up. The only wheel that actually turns is that one, unfortunately. It does have a little bit of life back here. I mean, quarters are gone. There's no interior in it. Just show you how bad that frame is. There is nothing left. Turbo 400, and it does work, I think. Pretty sure it does. So it's got a lot of potential to be a really good parts car, but the frame itself is just gone. So let's see. Let me go grab some gas and see if we can get this thing to pop off. So, got an old Dr. Pepper bottle with 80-90 tip. Let's see here. Guy told me that this car hasn't been on the road in almost 40 years, so oh, mud daubers. Oh yeah, it is alive. Cheap. All I did was clean the points off and left everything else alone, and it's just sitting here idling. And we just ran out of gas, so we are done. So the next process is taking all of this error correct 68 Impala stuff and putting it on a car that's actually worth fixing, which will be the fastback. So till next time, don't forget to do a burnout.